Hello, my name is Barbara Bullat-Raymond and this is the sixth video of the module Excel in Education. In this video we are going to apply conditional formatting, which is very useful if you want to visually distinguish some values in the file that meet specific criteria. So, conditional formatting, very useful feature for visually distinguishing data that meets certain criteria. So we are back to our file where we mark the student grades, and let's say the threshold for passing ILO 1 was 25 points. So you want to visually mark here with red color who didn't pass ILO 1, in other words, who has the summary of the points that is less than 25. So the first step is to select the range of cells that contain the summary of the points of all the assignments that in the end create the summary of ILO 1. We go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and less than. And here exactly 25 is the number we are interested in, because we want to mark with red all the cells that contain the value that is below 25. If you are satisfied with this formatting, you can just click on OK. Otherwise, you can select some of the options from the drop-down menu, or the third option would be to create your custom format. Let's say, for example, that you want to apply font color red. So font color red, and fill, which is shading, color, for example, light yellow. Then you click on OK. So now we have, in this column, we have marked with yellow shading and red font all the points that are below 25. Another example, let's say we want to give a star. We want to mark a cell with a star for every student that had 10 points from the assignment 2. So only for those who have 10 points. So again, we start by selecting the range of cells where we want to apply conditional formatting. On the tab Home, we go to Conditional Formatting, and now we are interested in icon sets. We want to create our own rules, so we click on More Rules. And here we are interested in stars. So as we said, we want to give stars to all the students who have 10 points. There is not more than 10 points, so we can leave more or equal. Be careful, because here we have to select number. For all the other criteria, we want no cell icon. Again, no cell icon. So now we have stars for all the values where the value is higher or equal to 10. So now, as you can see, for all the tenths, we have a star as a conditional formatting. You can also apply conditional formatting to the cells that contain textual values. For example, we want to mark with specific formatting all the students whose field of study is management. So let's see. First we select the range of cells, and we want to highlight cell rules and create more rules. However, here we are not interested in cell value. but we are interested in cells that contain specific text. The text is management. And we want to, for example, format them with light green fill and dark green font. So now all the students who study management should be marked with this formatting. If we click on OK, now all the cells that contain the word management will be formatted in this way. If this conditional formatting was applied to the whole range, wherever you would write management additionally, it would also become formatted in the same way as the other management cells. That's it. I hope this was useful.